Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be proceeding further in our Redux playlist. So till now, we have made this simple UI, and we have added this container and heading, which provide us this. We can do one thing in here. We can take this as a balance. So we'll say, let's say, balance, right? And it would show up here. Uh, and now what we'll do is inside the source folder we will be creating another folder which would be called as state. This would actually be uh, responsible for managing all the states and changing and altering that states for us. So this would be for that, and inside this we'll actually create two folders. First would be action creators, and another folder inside this state would be reducers, and inside this we will be creating a store file, store dot, not inside the reducers but inside this state, right? So in Redux there are three basic entities which are responsible for all the processes. First are action creators, which are responsible for creating the actions which may consist of which actually tell us what changes must appear or what alterations should be there in the state, and these reducers are responsible for actually making those changes. So in this state we'll also be creating an index.js file, and we are all set up now. uh, Now what we'll do is inside this action creators we will create our index.js file which would contain all the uh, actions required for us. So we'll say index.js, so uh, we'll create a simple, no, we first of all there is no need to create that boilerplate which we usually did. And in this reducers we will create a file called amount. We are taking this 1000 as the amount, and what we increase and decrease, that is also taken as amount. So here we'll say not inside action creators but inside reducers. So inside this we will be creating amount reducers, amount reducers.js, and we'll hit enter, and we'll again add index.js file here as well. I think we double added the dot, so we'll say index.js, and this is our primary structure of our state management in Redux, or you can say React Redux, right? So this is how we will be managing our state in all the projects which we will be working on, right? So your project might vary from one type to another, but your structure would always remain the same, right? Yes, definitely you can change this structure internally, or you can just have two three files, just three files without having to be inside these folders, but basic functionality would be related to this structure here as well, right? So in further videos we'll be coding these files, and we'll be able to change the states from these buttons. Thank you for now. Meet you in the next video.